Hi, I'm Melissa from OXO, and today I'll be demonstrating our quick and easy pineapple slicer. Whole pineapples have always been tough to slice and serve. Our slicer makes the whole process fast and easy. Start by cutting off the top of the pineapple. Then measure the height using these markings on the shaft. This helps indicate when you've reached the bottom of the fruit. When you're ready to slice, just twist the pineapple slicer into the top of the fruit and turn continuously. A unique ratcheting feature allows you to turn and turn without readjusting your grip. When you're done, just pull out the slicer using the soft, non-slip handle. To remove the pineapple, simply press the buttons on both sides, remove the handle, and slide off the pineapple rings. See? Perfect pineapple slices ready to enjoy. This easy-to-clean pineapple slicer is compact enough to store in your utensil drawer. The pineapple slicer leaves the shell intact to fill with fruit for a perfect centerpiece.